Could you talk a little bit about, a lot of the fears in the medical community about AI replacing, the human physicians versus being really assistants to help them do their jobs even better and get back to what they were trained to do?
So 2017 was probably the peak of the fear, at least in the radiology side, to be quite frank. And it was more just a fear of the unknown than a fear of it's going to take the job, in my opinion. And then over 2018 and 19, I think as an industry, radiologists have become more educated, and people like me are educating my colleagues on what it can do. And so the example that I just gave with multiple sclerosis that you sort of expounded on, like, there's no way that that could be done. And so if I was a patient with multiple sclerosis, I would 100% want this as part of my treatment pathway. So I want the radiologist to be looking for the crazy cancer or the crazy blood or the thing that's in there. And then I want my neurologist to be looking at these specialized reports to change my medicine. I mean, it's like not even close. It's a totally separate thing that we didn't even know existed. So things that we just weren't able to measure just because we didn't know, now we're able to measure. And that's just one tiny example. And there's thousands and thousands more where we'll be able to measure things that we just couldn't do because we didn't know to do yet.